How to extend video duration in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application and select the video that you want to extend the duration of. As you can see, I've already selected the video. Now as you can see, it is just 2.8 seconds of video. Now if you want to extend the duration of this video, then all you have to do is just tap on the video, and then you can see the arrow button over here on both the sides of the video, so you can extend it or you can just cut the video duration. Now since we want to extend the video duration, we just have a tap on the other right side of the video and just swipe it and drag it to the right. Take it as much as you want the video duration to be, so you can just select it over here, and right now you can see the video duration has been extended to 10.3 seconds. So that's how we extend video duration in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.